Hello, my name is Daniel Charri. Introduce, I will introduce my hometown. Is Neiva. Neiva is the capital of the department of Huila. Is location in the Valle of the Magdalena River, in the south of center of Colombia, um, with a popular of around three 357 uh, inhabitants. It is one of the most important cities of the south of Colombia. Um, uh, mm, this is neighbor. Um, this is neighbor before. Um, is a person. This is city central. uh, was not finally construction. Um, the people celebrate San Pedro is the different festival because the people ride horse in 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 the city and and the and the typical or traditional festival is a ride of cabalgata. The central of city is the cathedral. Is a important uh, important places because it's the central of the city. Is the typical of the symbol uh, uh, of the city. The people the people. This is right subway. Right. It is a right away in the neighbor. Is a typical uh, before. Is it the before neighbor? This is neighbor before. It had a right way. Is a is the the transport uh, typical in the city. And this is current neighbor is more uh, popular city uh, with more pulling cars, ride, uh, central commerciality. Um, this is a statue of the neighbor. It's more construct. Is this is in Moan? The Moan is the typical legendary of the city. This is the plaza. This is the central of city. The central city. The typical center of the city. It's a statue or no more. Thank you very much. This is central. This is the cathedral. And no more. Thank you very much. Goodbye.